Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 736 for June 25th, 2023. Christmas is just 6 months away. Here's my starter word, raise, R-A-I-S-E. So I have the R and I have the E. The R goes here. The question is there another vowel in the word? I do believe there is. The three remaining vowels are O, U, and Y. Let's just pretend the U goes here, and then the E would go here, and then I'd have another letter to figure out here. So R-U blank, E blank. One word that comes to mind is ruler. Of course, that would be using two R's, which is okay. If I use ruler, it will let me know if the U is the other vowel and if the E is in the correct place. So why not just try ruler? R-U-L-E-R. Let's just see what happens. It's going to help me solve it. So I have the R in the correct place, the E in the correct place. The U is not the other vowel. So that means it's either an O, a Y, or another E. R-O-X-E-X. If I were to use the O, I would have this. So what goes after the E? It could be a T. Maybe it is a D. R-O blank E-D. What would work here? Road, R-O-W-E-D, as in rowing. Roped, R-O-P-E-D. And it looks like that's it. So road or roped could work if I use the D. Well, I'm obviously not going to get it in 3, but I think that this will help me solve it. R-O-P-E-D. Roped. This will tell me if the O is the second vowel, and if it's not, then it's got to be another E more than likely. Oh, it is the O, and there is a D. Okay, so look at this. Kind of a tricky one here, but I think I have it. R-O. I have to use the D, E, and it can only be rodeo. Wow. Could I have gotten it in 3? Possibly so, but I really did not think there would be 3 vowels, so I'm pretty sure it's rodeo. And there you have it. I got it in 4. The strategy was to try to figure out what the second vowel would be. I just happened to pick the O. I thought maybe it was a U. With ruler, it was not. I tried the O, and the O worked. And it worked out quite well, as I did get it in 4. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.